Today I'm going to show you how I use the digital stickers in my shop in GoodNotes. So I'm in the app and I clicked on the edit option and I went to enter a photo, which is that middle icon there. And how this works is when you download from your purchase, it's a PNG file, so it's got that transparent background. And you will save it as a photo in your camera roll, and then you'll access it like this. Now, what I did to get to this option while I've been talking is you tap on it to hit crop, and then you cut it out to like so, and rearrange it and edit how you want. So I'll do it again here. So you insert, click on it, crop. You can use the rectangle tool or the freehand. That star I used was the freehand, and what I'm doing now is the rectangle tool, just to show you both options. And again, you resize it, orient it how you want. And now I'll kind of show you what it looks like when you exit out of edit mode. And I am using the blank digital notebook from my shop, and this color palette actually goes really well with it. But you can use it on any product. It doesn't have to be one of my products. It could be on a planner, a journal. Now I'm going to show you how it works on the computer, and I am using the PDF Expert app, but you can use other applications. This is just what I prefer. So I'm using the blank digital notebook again, and I'm in edit mode. I clicked on image, and then I go and find where I saved it, and then I insert it. And it's going to be a similar concept to the iPad where you crop it to pick the sticky note you want. So I'm going to go to the icon on the right hand side, crop, and I'm going to do the top left sticky note. And then hit OK. As you can see, it can be a little touchy and assume it knows what I want. So I kind of had to play around, and if you click on the sticky note in the right place and you don't get an extra line like I did there, and here you can see I actually got it, you just have to play around. Like I said, it's touchy. So you drag it where you want, and then I'm going to write on it and pretend that I'm preparing for a test. But again, like I said, it doesn't have to be school related. It could be your to-do lists, whatever. But really, it's that simple. So this is how you use it on both the iPad and computer. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or reach out in any way on Instagram, whatever works.